In this video we're gonna tell a story about Peter Pan, Captain Hook and our hero trying to become a pirate to join Captain Hook, because we need to find what his plans are. Peter Pan is the mastermind behind this project and he doesn't know what Captain Hook is plotting. So he suggested we should find some pirate clothes just in case, so that Captain Hook would recruit us as one of his pirates. So we headed to the nearby boutique called Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. This is where we could purchase pirate costume that would give us some kind of a way to get into Captain Hook's team.
It seems like you really knew what you wanted.
We still had to talk to Peter Pan in order to get more info on how to actually infiltrate the Captain Hook's pirate team.
Boy, that looks great. Hook won't suspect a thing. Yep, you're definitely ready to go and see what he's up to.
He said that we look good enough so that we could actually go and talk to him. He was nearby, so it wasn't any trouble finding him.
Ready. See you later. Hey, Tink, where'd you go? You're missing out on all the fun.
So, you're serious about wanting to join me crew, eh? Well, first things first, you must look the part. Why, you haven't even got a proper pirate's headscarf. Off with you until you've at least got that. Farewell.
Unfortunately, Captain Hook wasn't too pleased with our outfit and he said we cannot be a proper pirate without a pirate's hat. So he sent us on a search for a bandana. Path to reach Bandana in order to enter Captain Hook's pirate team was long, so in the meantime our hero took a couple of stops to take some fantastic pictures of Disneyland and what it has to offer. We also found the hidden Mickey symbol that we could take a picture of, plus many other interesting pictures. We have become truly a master photographer.
I hope you enjoy your visit. Goodbye now. Come again.
Whatever you like, honey. We've got time for about 3 more rides. Pinocchio likes writing his name, no lie. No way we're leaving for that fire.
After finally finding the bandana, we got back to Captain Hook. It was time to see if he would finally accept us in his team.
Goodbye.
Oh, that's more like it. Welcome to me crew. Well, what are you waiting for? I have a job for you. Now listen up. That miserable brat Peter Pan has taken steps to agitate me again. He knows how that ticking crocodile haunts me, and he's hidden alarm clocks everywhere in this perplexing park just to vex me. Your task is to find and get rid of every last one of them. Trust me, your loyalty will be rewarded. I bid you good day. Now find those clocks!
It was a success. Captain Hook invited us to his crew and we happily joined. We have to uncover his plans. However, upon joining his pirate crew, he sent us on a quest. We need to take care of 3 alarm clocks that are scaring Captain Hook. He's got a very peculiar problem with those alarm clocks. They tick. And we all know by now that Captain Hook's nemesis is a crocodile that ate his arm a long time ago. That same crocodile also ate an alarm clock, and that ticking always scares Captain Hook. So now we have to deal with alarm clocks in Disneyland in order for Captain Hook to not be scared anymore. Remember, we still have to find out what his plans actually are, and we cannot do that with those alarm clocks being scattered all around. So our hero took that quest gladly and then went to find all 3 alarm clocks.
Spot something sparkling up there. Use your wand to pull it down. There she goes! Don't let her get away!
I don't see any ships nearby.
Oh, quick! Get your camera! Take a picture! Somebody...
What's that? All the clocks are gone? Oh, bliss! Oh, sweet tranquility! Now, Captain Hook never breaks a promise. You are to be rewarded generously.
Captain Hook rewarded us generously by giving us joining the Jolly Roger pin. Later on we're gonna find out what his full story is and what his plans actually are.